Good evening, guys. From now onwards in our channel, there will be tech updates also, along with apart from government job updates. Today I am going to show you unboxing of low budget speakers to use it for desktop and laptops. This is Zebronics speaker which I bought from latest Amazon Freedom sale. Today I will unbox this for you and show the all features of these low budget speaker phones. Let's start the video of unboxing. This is brand new box for Zebronics 2.0 speakers Fame model. This is USB powered and volume control is also there. See, these are in black in color, and this is very small and very comfortable and compatible size. Let's take another one from the box. This cover is not coming, just wait a minute. These are two compatible, very small size speakers, comfortable speakers for laptops and desktops. They are provided with also volume controller for this. Volume controller is also very nice to see, and this is maximum and minimum also it is present in this. And this is a USB cable. This one is USB cable where we can connect to laptops or desktops. Thank you, guys. Please like, share channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech updates as well as government job updates. Thank you, guys. Bye, take care.